In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Kartra email sequence. We'll start right from the Kartra dashboard and walk through creating a clean, organized sequence with your first email inside it. From your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and open the marketing section. There, choose sequences to access Kartra's visual sequence builder. To create a new one, click the option to start a sequence, then give it a clear, memorable name. I recommend a naming format that includes the funnel or offer plus the purpose, so it's easy to find later. Add a brief public description as well. This helps teammates and your future self quickly understand what the sequence is meant to do. When that's set, click Create. You'll land in the sequence canvas. Click the plus icon to add your first element. Choose Sequence, select the sequence you just created from the list, then click Add, and close to return to the canvas. Think of this as anchoring the main sequence container you'll build on. Next, we'll add the actual communication. On the left panel, open Send Email, SMS. Give your message an internal name. This won't be visible to subscribers, but it makes managing multiple messages much easier. Under the type of communication, choose email, then click Select to confirm. Kartra's interface is designed to keep things structured, so selecting the proper type ensures you get the right editor and options. Finally, click Create to add the email to your sequence. At this point, you can craft your content, align it with your brand voice, and keep the copy concise and value-driven. A quick tip: write your subject line last once you're clear on the core message and avoid spammy words to help deliverability. Also, be consistent with your naming conventions and descriptions across messages. This pays off as your sequence library grows. That's it for setting up the foundation. You've created a sequence, anchored it in the canvas, and added your first email. Save your work as you go, and you'll be ready to expand with timing, branching, and additional messages whenever you're ready.